Are you looking for the best SUP boards? In this video we will look at some of the best SUP boards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ultralight Inflatable SUP. Everything is cool, there is a lot of it. I got it for some not real action for $8,500. I haven't checked on the water yet. Ultralight Inflatable SUP board with paddleboard reviews. The board is good, the pump is terrible, the plastic is pouring in. The first time the jack ear is broken, the fifth time the axial thread cracking the pump handle is sealed, the sixth time the pump handle is broken off. I managed to pump well, but otherwise everything is fine. Ultralight Inflatable SUP board with paddleboard reviews. Excellent board for beginners, performs its function on the 100%, enough kits to start from scratch. Number 2. FUNWATER Inflatable Surfboard. Accessories: backpack, leash, 3 glide fins, waterproof phone bag, aluminium paddle, hand pump, seat. Everything is great. Got the juice even before the specified time. Wanted to order another one, but for some reason the price went up by $2,000. I will probably change the seller. There are places where stained with glue. Budget set all intact so far, only pumped at home. I took the $5,500, came in a complete set, without damage. For that kind of money I did not find minuses. Number 3. Inflatable SUP. Fast delivery, ordered 18.07, courier Russian Post 26.07. I was afraid that there will be some joints, but everything turned out to be in excellent condition. Not yet tested on the water. All components are good quality. Phone case as a gift for the promotional price. Super purchase. The box was partially damaged, but the product was not damaged. Included bag, pump, paddle, leash, fins, 2 glueless patches and valve key. Inflatable SUP Stand Up paddle board with non-slip deck, carrying bag and surfboard fins. Reviews: everything is great. Bought at a discounted price for $95 in July 2023. There was a sale and the discount was valid for 2 days. Order was brought home by courier 2 days after checkout. On the water has not yet tested, but in general seems to be alright. Inflatable SUP Stand Up paddle board with non-slip deck, carrying bag and surfboard fins. Reviews: great SUP board. Bought at a big discount, matches the photo. All hardware is in place. Nanos pumps great. Order arrived in 7 days. Tested on the water, passed. I recommend to buy. Great store. Number 4. SUP Inflatable Stand Up. Fast delivery. I was afraid that there will be some joints, but everything turned out to be in excellent condition. Not yet tested on the water. All components are good quality. Phone case as a gift for the promotional price. Super purchase. The box was partially damaged, but the product was not damaged. Included bag, pump, paddle, leash, fins, 2 glueless patches and valve key. Great SUP board. Bought at a big discount, matches the photo. All hardware is in place. Nanos pumps great. Order arrived in 7 days. Tested on the water, passed. I recommend to buy. Great store. Number 5. FUNWATER Inflatable Surfboard. Delivered to my house, arrived even ahead of schedule. The track is not tracked. The packaging is intact. Everything is good, but there are small joints, for which I took off 1 star. But I do not think it is critical. Everything is in the kit, as described. SAB, in principle, satisfied, especially for $8,500. Beauty. I will test. Seller recommended. Everything as described. Came in a complete package. As stated. Inflated, kept the pressure for 2 days, then deflated. Thing useful. The child is satisfied. As I will test and more. Almost instant delivery. IML at the same time is not tracked from the word at all. Ordered in late July, indicated delivery by August 8th. The next day sent a code, but until the day of actual delivery status was pending shipment. A couple of times wrote to the seller. In response, the standard response: do not worry, wait. In the end, July 25th courier brought home SUP excellent full kit. Tested on the water 3 days in a row, nothing failed. Delivery was promised August 9th, came on August 11th. Message was tracked in X. 2 weeks just created an order, and then when the traffic from Tomilina went, they brought it to St. Petersburg every other day. Took him and his wife. It came out to 17K for 2 SUPs, for which the seller is very grateful.